Hey YouTube, this is your girl Avery, that's your girl.
Night.
So just picking her up from school, so we're gonna start our journey to where?
KFC.
Cause listen, KFC thing they slick over here.
Can I try some of the vanilla?
Yeah. So she drank hers last night. Nah, she won't drink mine. So it's good, right? So we going to KFC because we see when we move here, we realize that when he had original chicken, right? We have spicy fans, even though the original chicken is good, whatever. But it wasn't hitting because it wasn't spicy. Now you know back home we in the Bahamas we used the spicy chicken from KFC, right? They didn't have it here. So now I see them coming with something called extra crispy. Look just like spicy chicken, so they kept it. So, see that we haven't eaten KFC spicy chicken in more than 3 years. We're gonna go to KFC now. I'm gonna go in the drive-thru and we're gonna order a 4-piece whatever with fries. I don't want a macaroni because they sell cold macaroni. Seriously, cold macaroni. Anyhow, we just gonna get their fries and their chicken, whatever. And yeah, so let's go. KFC in the mall move. Not they move. They under renovation. So I can go to the. See, I see the extra crispy on the thing. So we're gonna go to the drive-through. So we can get like a 4-piece. So let's see. This is the menu board. I see the extra crispy up there, you see? So they have 4-piece extra crispy. Look just like spicy chicken. They say it's like yeah, let's get. So getting ready to go KFC. I can see the big sign right there. You said when we can find things, so I'm going on the map now. Because I'm familiar with the area now, right? I just say why look at KFC move. I going to buy crispy chicken yesterday and KFC. I gone in the mall to buy it and KFC in the mall move. So again, my mom used to work over here. KFC in the mall move. I can go. So we pulling up the KFC. KFC in the mall move. Not they move. They under renovation. So I can go to the. See, I see the extra crispy on the thing. So we're gonna go to the drive-through. So we can get like a 4-piece. So let's see. This is the menu board. I see the extra crispy, baby. So they have 4-piece extra crispy. Look just like spicy chicken. Yeah, let's get. You record me?
Yep.
You can record. Let me get my buy. You can record me. Ordering too. I said to the order board. I drive straight past the order board. Hello. Sorry, I drive straight past the order board. I can get a 4-piece extra crispy.
4-piece extra crispy chicken?
Yeah.
Just chicken or a combo?
A combo.
What drink you want?
Sprite.
7-Up. We have 7-Up.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's it?
Yeah. I know they say like that's me so distracted. That's me so distracted. I drive straight past.
I didn't even notice that there was one.
Probably because I stopped at the first order board and you know no speaker there, so I don't know which I'm ready in park.
1411.
Okay. This is this car here. Thank you so much. I know she's saying, what the? Thank you so much, there. I'm I'm gonna turn probably out through. No, I probably just go around to get out. So you're gonna have to Sprite soda. Plus I can drink some my soda at home. Well, this car greedy boy just put $50 in here for me. I'm gonna add to this a full time. Why are you running like that?
I don't think he meant to do that.
Thank you, Dad. So we get our food. Let's get off there for our food. Just let me double check the bag. So always double check. Look kind of like spicy from the Bahamas. So that's what it is. You didn't make that home, right? You want to stay tuned? Okay, so we're about to try this and we're gonna let you know if this tastes like the one in the Bahamas, right? We already eat all the fries. We're so hungry. What you getting, the drumstick? I can start off with the wing. It looks like it. It looks like it. Whatever. Okay, wait. Before we eat it. So for all the Bahamians who let me see. He's still in the car. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like it. But for all the Bahamians who will know if this tastes like spicy chicken from home, let's try it. Let me smell it.
Don't really smell like
it. Don't smell like it, but let's try it.
Wait, let me try the crust right quick. Let me try another piece. Spicy. Spicy.
Definitely not spicy. Definitely, it don't have a spicy flavor. I was just trying to get if it tastes like the one from home.
I like the skin.
I
like the skin.
The skin is nice. I trying to remember the one from home. So it doesn't taste bad. Kind of salty, but it doesn't taste bad. Okay. You think it tastes like the one from Bahamas? So.
I feel like if they had added more spice, it'd be like right on. Because I could taste the chicken part. Actually tastes like it. But...
So on a scale from 1 to 10, I give the chicken itself an 8.5. 8. Close to home, the Bahamas KFC spicy chicken. It needed more spice to get there. It tastes like the one from the Bahamas when the one to the Bahamas get too cold and you gotta reheat it. That's how it tastes. But like how we just freshly bought this, you don't know how long it's been sitting there. But anyway.
No, fresh tastes like it was cold a little bit. Not cold, but like, you know.
Right.
Not made.
It wanna taste like the one from home, but it give you that same vibe. But if you want to eat it for a while, I can't even remember how the taste really is, but I think if I taste it, I would acquire the same taste, but it's close.
Mm-hmm.
It will satisfy you.
It tastes really good too.
It tastes good. I could give them that. I saw a lot of comments saying it was soggy and tastes bad and no spice.
Yeah, that's spice for
The same spicy chicken is extra crispy. No, I think if they bring a spicy one of theirs, call it extra spicy crispy or whatever. Or spicy extra crispy. So it tastes good. You can. She like it. You love fried chicken. You're not gonna eat fried chicken all day. You think so?
Especially from like Popeyes.
Mm-hmm. This is not a paid advertisement, by the way. So yeah, we got 2 chicken left. So we can end this video. I'm gonna go upstairs, finish kettless with some ketchup. But if you miss KFC from the Bahamas, you can try the KFC. Depends on where you get it from. Or not make this good later. It tastes close to home. Close enough. Tastes close enough. I'll give them that. Anyhow, y'all, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share with your friends and your family. Man killing the chicken. I put the killer soda after that chicken of it. But you know, after you eat, you want some soda. Some carbonated drink. Anyhow, man, you have anything to say?
Like and subscribe.
Stay tuned for our birthday videos. Peace.